most welcome to Brand Stories by Shine with Yamini. In today's scenario, when everyone is fighting against this pandemic, every country is fighting against this pandemic, we know that so many changes have come about due to this. And this has not only hit our personal lives, our lifestyles, but it has also hit the economy of every country. International relationships are facing tough times. We need to be aware of Indian labels. We must know that foreign labels are not better than our own domestic labels. Here in this video, I'll bring about the story of Fab India, a homegrown chain store which sells and manufactures products like garments, furnishings, and also handmade craft items. So we will know how this homegrown brand has excelled in its sector and it has outshone so many brands. Fab India, although was started by a foreign national, but it is completely a homegrown company which, moreover, depends upon the rural India, and it has given a kind of support system to the rural India. Very few of us know about this. So today in this video, we will be talking about Fab India, its success story, how it has helped rural India, rather how rural India helps this, and what is the model on which this company works. So stay tuned till the end of this video to know the whole story. It's also called Fab India Overseas Private Limited, and it's a chain store. It retails a line of goods like garments, ethnic products, furnishings, and handmade goods by craftsmen from rural India. It's even interesting to know that this company was started in the year 1960 by an American. His name was John Bishop. He started this just for the purpose of exporting home furnishing to other countries. Then John Bishop was working with Ford Foundation in New Delhi. So that is why he was settled here in India and he started this export business. But then later in the year 1976, this firm stepped into retailing by opening its first retail store in Greater Kailash, New Delhi. Currently, the firm owns a huge number of stores in India and abroad. So now the firm is known for its handloom products, for its home furnishing, for jewelry and apparels. And it's so praiseworthy to know about this fact that Fab India's most of the products are sourced from villages, and that more than 40,000 craftsmen from across the villages of India are involved in the process of manufacturing of its goods. This is really interesting. So Fab India has provided a backbone to the village economy. So under the COVID-19 circumstances, when the stores in India and abroad have reopened, Fab India has made sure that it will just work for the safety of its customers and employees, and it will definitely take care of certain measures which are highly important in these circumstances. So the new protocol involves new services which will be like ironing of all the clothing items before and after trial, having new washrooms, that is remodeling of washrooms which will be totally hand-free, and trial rooms which will be properly sanitized, so a customer need not be scared to drop into Fab India store. So this is how Fab India works. It works on a model which does not believe much in public. So just now we saw that Fab India has a totally different business model. It is giving a backbone to rural India, and at the same time rural India forms an essential part of Fab India. Apart from all this firm does not believe much in publicity, promotion or advertisements. So it spreads its name by the word of mouth, and it believes in holding and retaining customers. So that is why this firm has got a good number of loyal customers.